This is how to be an affiliate marketer, step by step, part 1. If you've been seeing a lot of people talk about affiliate marketing, but you're wondering how exactly it works, you're in luck. Today is part 1 of step by step explaining in detail how I get leads to my affiliate links and make commissions through affiliate marketing. I'm going to go a little bit fast, so like and save these videos so you can come back and look over them later. This is called a bridge page funnel, and it's what all successful affiliate marketers use to drive leads to their affiliate offers. So the first step for all affiliate marketers is to find places to promote your affiliate links. Personally, I use Pinterest, TikTok, and Instagram the most. These are the websites that I use the most to find high converting affiliate products, which means that people are buying them a lot, as well as good commission rates, as well as subscription commissions, which means that you make a commission month after month when somebody signs up for a subscription. It's really important to understand how each of these social media platforms work. Like for instance, TikTok is a lot more about quantity than quality, whereas Instagram would be exactly the opposite. You post less, but your posts should be of higher quality with more information. As an affiliate marketer, free traffic is key and it's a big part of your business, so understanding the algorithms of all the social media platforms is really important. So anytime you start a new affiliate offer, I would start a new social media account on every platform you plan on promoting it on, and then you want to research what other people within that niche are doing to make content and drive traffic towards their offers. So say one of your affiliate offers is promoting the keto diet. You want to go and see what people are posting and what the most successful videos and posts within the diets and weight loss niches are doing, and try to get inspiration that way. You could make photo and video content with the actual product. You could do product reviews. Anything that you post content related needs to be within your niche because you're trying to build an audience that is interested in that specific type of product. Like this video if you found it helpful, and tap the plus if you want to see part 2 on the opt-in page and exactly what to do next. I also made you a free PDF explaining in detail the ins and outs of affiliate marketing, and you can grab that in my bio.